Welcome to our How to Draw Snowflake series. These snowflakes are available for free in a bundle from my Creative Fabrica store, and these snowflakes are 8 in number, which we are going to build one by one, and these are available for free from my Creative Fabrica store. And the link to this design will be in the description of this video. In this series, I teach how to build snowflakes for SVG cut files, sublimation, and as printables. So today, and we have built so many of these beautiful snowflakes. We can see how detailed and beautiful they are, but I have also built this tiny snowflake, and the reason for this is the use in the design. You can see these big snowflakes are the main attraction of this design, but you can see this tiny snowflakes which are the fillers, and these are very important, and they have to be made with same care as these big ones. So I have made this tiny one filler snowflake. Now I'm going to today build this one, a very simple one, just so we can mix and match and the design looks full. And so we are going to start, and I'm on my Illustrator. This is my 12x12 artboard, and I'm going to bring up my guides. I will go to my working layer, and I will simply very quickly show you how to make this tiny guy. Okay, so now I'll just choose my pen tool and click, hold shift and click again, so this line is exactly straight, and I will just change the stroke color and make it slightly larger with the help of this stroke width, and bring it to the center of the artboard. Now what I'm going to do, I will again choose my pen tool, make a line like that, or I can copy this. I can copy this by Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Ctrl C copies it and Ctrl F puts it right in the front. I'm going to decrease their width, so now they look nice. And both of these, I'll just zoom in. Now I want to reflect them to the other side, so for that I will just choose both of them, right click, transform, reflect. Now I will vertically reflect them and make copy. With the help of the arrow key on my keyboard, I'm going to bring them to the other side. Now they are good. What I'm going to do, I'm going to first of all select both of these and group them, and now I will make sure that they are aligned to artboard right in the middle. So you can see now they are checked, everything is aligned to artboard in the middle. What I'm going to do, that I'm going to select everything, object, expand, change them from stroke to objects and unite. Now you see this is a one unit. Now first of all I will just copy this and put it on the other side, and because this is my saved copy, and I'll just bring it slightly away from the center. Check the alignment. Now I want this shape to reflect around a center of rotation, so this will be my center of rotation right in the middle of artboard. So I'm going to put a point with the help of pen tool. I'm going to put a point here, let it go with the help of selection tool, and select this point, and I will make sure that this is aligned to artboard right in the middle of the artboard. So this point is here, and now I'm going to group both of those, right click select both of these items and group. Now I will reflect it by using effect, distort and transform, and this box is represented here in this tiny area. So I'm going to choose my center of rotation, which is this anchor point, and I'm going to choose a value, angle of rotation 30, and copies. Maybe I would just want 5 copies. Let's see what happens. Oh, they are so near, so let's double the angle of rotation, 60. Oh, now this is good, and I will just finish my design, accept the results and finish my design. Now you can see I have this tiny, I will just remove my guides, tiny emptiness right in the middle. So I don't want that because this is not going to cut properly. For that, first of all, I will select my design, object, expand appearance, then object, expand again, unite them with the Pathfinder. You can go to Pathfinder by going to Windows, Pathfinder, and my Pathfinder is always here, and I will check the alignment where the design is. So this is right in the middle. Now this is 1 unit. Now what I'm going to do, just to patch this design, I'm going to use tiny polygon or ellipse. I will choose a ellipse, and I'll just draw an ellipse by holding Shift and Alt and clicking and dragging. I'm going to form a small ellipse, a complete circle, and I'm going to align the circle right in the middle of the artboard with the help of align to artboard. Horizontally aligning it and vertically aligning it puts it right in the middle of artboard. Now I'm going to select everything, object, expand, unite, and your final snowflake is done.